Welcome back to another Mobile Centrics Tips and Tricks. My name is Derek, and today I'm going to be showing you a solution to an issue that you might be experiencing right now, and that is the fingerprint calibration for the Google Pixels. If you found yourself replacing the displays on the Google Pixel and you're stuck with no fingerprint, the reason behind that is because Google has serialized their displays so that anytime it's replaced, the fingerprint has to be recalibrated because the device has to basically sync up with the new display. It doesn't matter if you transfer the original fingerprint sensor from the original display over to the new display, or if you get a display with the new fingerprint sensor, it won't matter. It's the display that needs to be recalibrated, not the fingerprint sensor itself. Hopefully in this video, I'm going to be able to clear up some of that confusion. Let's get into the video. Before I get started, just want to mention a couple things. If you have a Mac, there is no need to install the drivers. This is going to be pretty straightforward. You're basically going to be able to skip the middle part of this video. Also, you need to be using Chrome as your web browser to make this work. So those two things. Now let's get into the video. You might have found yourself replacing the screen on one of the newer Pixels. Here I've got this nice label saying, remove the screen protector, do not touch the display during first boot up. Remove screen protector during test. So let's carefully peel this off. Let's boot it up and not touch it while it boots up. Alright, when we go into the phone, when we go into the settings, and when we go into set up fingerprint, go to set up the fingerprint, we get this message that says, can't use fingerprint sensor. Let me show you how we go about recalibration for the Google Pixels. Alright, we're going to go online on Chrome and we're going to go and type in pixelrepair.withgoogle.com, and we're going to go down to the bottom below the big blue button where it says install fingerprint calibration software. So let's follow the instructions. Turn off your device by holding the volume up and the power button. Make sure your device is turned off, and then it says press and hold the power and volume down button for 3 seconds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You'll be in fast boot mode. You should see a black screen with a red triangle. Once your device is in fast boot mode, connect your device to the computer using USB cable. Then select connect device below. Connect device, and I get not compatible devices found. Connect. Try again. So this is what we really needed to have done. All right. So we'll notice that we've got the Chrome menu doesn't appear. Check the Chrome allows websites to access USB devices. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Permissions, Additional Permissions, USB. Because I've checked in Chrome the permissions, you tried the USB cables, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we've downloaded and installed the drivers. So you can see here the different OEM USB drivers for the different Windows, Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. We'll get the Google USB driver. We'll download it. Hit I agree and download. Let's go in and extract that. And here you can see the file that we need to go back and find. So we'll go to our computer management, click on device manager, right here. We'll find our Pixel and we'll right click and we will hit update. We're going to browse the computer for a driver. And then we're going to browse. And we're going to find that downloaded updates. So here I'm going to click on myself, scroll down to downloads, and we're going to find the USB driver. Where is it? There it is. Okay, yeah, so this is the one right here. So we'll go ahead and install that, and install successfully. Perfect. Okay, we'll hit close. All right, now we can go and do the same thing. There it is. We can finally connect to it. Go and hit install software. Installing. You can see that we're now restarting. It does say install successful. There we go. And then one last step is we need to restart the device. Go ahead and restart it. Now we can go into the phone, go into the settings, and let's go and set up a fingerprint. Now you can see we can sit there and adjust and there we go. Hopefully this has helped, and hopefully you'll be able to walk through the actual process of installing the drivers, which is one of the main hurdles that people have an issue with in order to get their device to be recognized by the computer when in fast boot mode, so that you can actually recalibrate the display. And again, once it's done, don't forget to restart the phone, as that is a crucial step. And hopefully now that you've gone through the video and the steps yourself, you have a working fingerprint sensor. If there are things that might still seem confusing, or you have a clarification of your own, leave it in the comments below. Hopefully any questions that people have regarding how to recalibrate the display so that the fingerprint will work again will be answered not only in this video, but in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.